Tired of bland thumbnails killing your video's potential? Let's unlock the power of Gemini AI to blast them into the stratosphere. Imagine generating eye-catching thumbnails for your videos and online content not in hours, but in minutes, all thanks to the cutting-edge intelligence of Gemini AI today. We're diving deep into how to make thumbnails that practically beg viewers to click. Our journey begins with automated image generation. Think of Gemini as your tireless digital artist. You'll craft descriptive prompts, detailing exactly what you want: a circumflex euros. The mood, the subject, the colors. Gemini then transforms these words into unique, attention-grabbing visuals. For example, if you're creating a tutorial on gardening, you might prompt for lush green garden, bright sun, and a friendly person pointing confidently. Gemini will then deliver several options, each a starting point for perfection. But we don't stop at basic generation. Next up is style transfer. This is where Gemini truly shines. Allowing you to imbue your thumbnail with a distinct artistic flair. You can take a generated image and, with a simple instruction, make it look like a vibrant anime scene, a gritty comic book panel, or even a minimalist masterpiece. This means you can match your thumbnail's aesthetic to your channel's brand or the specific video's tone without needing complex design software or skills. Finally, we focus on design optimization. Gemini can help identify and refine key elements to maximize impact. It can suggest placement for your title text that's most readable, ensure high contrast for immediate visual appeal, and even help integrate your logo seamlessly. By leveraging Gemini AI for automated generation, style transfer, and intelligent design optimization, you empower yourself to create visually stunning thumbnails with almost effortless ease. This isn't just about making pretty pictures. It's about boosting your click-through rates and making your content truly stand out in a crowded digital world. Get ready to see your views soar.